Hello all, this is Quita with the Quitassential Life, and I have a Chronicles video for you today. These are the nails I've had on for about 4 weeks, only had to replace 2 of them. I am going to be reviewing the Kiss Glue Off Instant False Nail Remover. So these are my press-on nails, and the method I've been using, which is soaking them in warm soapy water with a little oil for 15 minutes or longer, has taken some of the nail with it and caused some problems. So I wanted to try this out. You see there's a little knob at the end that goes into the hole that dispenses the product, pointing to right now, and it has sort of a duckbill shape to help you actually get under the nail and make sure the product is getting there and help you to loosen up the nail. That is its purpose. That's how it's supposed to be used. So we are going to get started and try by just putting the liquid product, its consistency is like water, around the edges of the nail. And you see that? It's very liquidy, and let that sit for a bit to try to dissolve the nail glue that held these nails on so well. That's what we're doing here, just adding that in around the nail bed and the edges. Then we will turn over and put it right where the nail meets the quick of your own nail here, because that's also a point of attachment where you have glue. You see it's already dissolving the color that was applied to the nail in the first place. As I bought them, I got these from Amazon, $9. And so it's doing something. So then I'm just, after waiting a few minutes, wiggling the nail. I don't want to mess up my nails up under here, so I'm wiggling the nail to loosen it and help the product to seep into all the areas. You see there's more melting going on here. It doesn't seem to be very instant because the nails aren't moving that much. So I'm going to apply some more product and see what happens. So we are continuing to apply product and trying to lift the nail up with the duckbill built-in nail lifter. And basically it's taking everything except for the nail off. It's melting the color. I feel like I'm using more than half the bottle for one removal. We're still working on it. This is taking way too long for me not to have a nail off. Still trying, becoming very frustrated. And we got our first nail off. Praise the Lord. Looking at the nail, it's in pretty good shape. There's a little bit of glue right there, but so that's positive that it's not ruining or damaging the nail. But with all this pushing and lifting, I don't know if that's going to continue. Okay. This is a struggle. About 12 hours later. Okay, so we're still continuing. Everything else is coming off, the color, the nail side. but the nails are not coming out instantly. I just want to scream. I got 3 nails off after all this time. Okay, I need to get that out. Okay, we've got all the nails off now. I had to finish the rest off camera, but we are now just filing our nails down. Any of the growth of the nail, because I like to keep them neat and short when I'm using press-ons, and so that's what you see here. Just filing the nail down, the actual length of the nail, any that grew over the quick, rounding the corners. Basic nail filing. We're continuing to file the nail down. Doing the same thing for each nail on both hands. So after you have filed down the actual nail length and evened out that, you buff the top of the nail, making sure you get the nail bed, the cuticle area, the sides. You want to make sure you're smoothing out and not too rough, not too much, and getting any leftover glue off. So that's what you see happening here with each of the nails. Now the next step, we are just cleaning our nails with some alcohol. Making sure any dust is gone, as well as sanitizing the nail. Okay, hi y'all, this is Quita with the Quitassential Life, and I am showing you what I do when I take my press-on nails off. I use Sally Hansen's Hardest Nails, hardener, and then this 7-in-1 elixir nail treatment. So I am going to put 1 coat of each on. I've actually already been doing it for a couple days or so. I try to let my nails rest for about 3 or 4 days after I take off the press-ons. Let them get themselves back together. The beautiful thing about this is you don't have to be perfect. Okay, love that. But it just helps your nails because they're a little sensitive when you first take off your nails. You know, I was using that instant glue remover. After what, 25-30 minutes, I turned off the camera. Okay, I'm back. Ooh, now I'm going to put on the elixir. Has a little color to it, but basically you still look like you have unclear. Did I do this one? Oh, he's getting it again. This is a 7-in-1 elixir nail treatment. It is free from all of those bad things. It is for stronger, healthier, smoother nails. 7 stunning results: strength, hardening, shine, smoothing, protection, nutrition, and hydration. See if that helped a little bit with the lighting. And I'm gonna let this dry for just a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and put my oil on. This is my Blossom Scented Cuticle Oil with nice cute little flowers in it for scenting. So I'm just gonna add my cuticle oil around the sides. That should do nothing but help it dry. As always, I am thrilled to have you come back. Please join us at the Q Life Fam. This is the end, adding the oil to the nail. And I just wanted to thank you again for every moment that you spend on my channel. I'm trying to get monetized desperately and don't have a whole lot of time to meet the mark. So thank you so much for sticking with me and coming back. I'd love to hear from you, so put some comments below on the kind of lifestyle related videos, beauty, inside and out. This is an outward beauty video, for example, but I do quite a few other things that just are lifestyle related. So please come back. Thank you so much for joining me. The video with the new nails that you guys picked is coming up.